Welcome to Alam's One, and in English to English vocabulary section, the word for today is cuddle. Cuddle. The word is used as a noun and a verb both. When we use it as a verb, it means hold a person or thing close, as for affection, comfort, or warmth, or move or arrange oneself in a comfortable and cozy position. Like we say, I cuddled her when she was feeling pain in her leg. We all cuddled together to keep ourselves warm. When we use the word cuddle as a noun, it means a close and affectionate and often prolonged embrace. For example, she definitely needs a cuddle after our separation decision from him. If you have understood the meaning of the word cuddle, then make a sentence and write it in the comment section below so that you can remember it for the longer duration. If you like this video, please do like and share it with your friends so that they can also learn the meaning of the word cuddle. If you have not subscribed to our channel, then please do so that you can get the latest vocabulary videos as soon as we upload them. Good luck and stay blessed.